Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for Cornerstones random team case break. It's 7:37:29 PM Melbourne time. The random is live. Everyone should see that. Try and win one of the final 3 spots in Noir, so that breaks as well tonight. We'll go participants first over here. We're going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. And what am I doing? I'm doing this, and I need to copy that, and I need to put that over here. Try again. And then teams. We're going 5 times. We're going 1. We're going 2. We're going 3. We're going 4 and 5. Yoink. So who's got what? Pardon me. Fuck, what a nice birthday present. What a nice birthday present. Random is complete. I'll go through the list, and it's Marave with Mavericks, Hurley, Cavs, Glenbow Pelicans, Marave Thunder, Robert Sun Jazz, Timbo Heat, Marave Wizards, Mr. Holland Hornets, Ashley Scott McMahon Nets, Wayman Rockets, Cannon Pistons, Dwayne with Magic, Stuart Sales Bucks, Michael Paul Hawks, Van Sanderson Kings, Austin Kelsey, happy birthday, Lakers, Abigail Later Bulls, Glenbow Pacers, Andrew Hurley T-Wolves, Scott McMahon, Ashley Scott McMahon, Nuggets, Hurley Warriors, Austin Kelsey Clippers, Cannon Sixers, Andrew Hurley Celtics, Don Smith Grizz, Andrew Hurley Blazers, Stuart Sales Suns, Van Sanderson Spurs, Glenbow Raptors, and Al Murray with the Knicks, and that's it. Save it there, do this, and copy it, and go frats, and go that's it.